This is the Desmond Show.
See, I need to draw this tattoo, and what you will write for me will say MC Desmond, comedian for Federal Republic of Nigeria.
Wait first. MC Desmond, Federal Republic of Nigeria. Bro, the thing now is say, change a permanent, I mean temporal you want to be.
Permanent, make it just stay there forever. If them be this flesh, when they see then pick the second one, when they see then pick the third one, even my bone, make it there. MC Desmond, comedian for Federal Republic.
Okay, but boss, if that you go write that MC Desmond, comedian for Federal Republic of Nigeria, boss, you mean say the write up you go stop for your year.
Right hand.
So cute, so clean. You're so fresh.
Yeah.
I love it.
Very fresh. Thank you.
I love it.
What's been of this?
I'm going to call you.
Are you okay?
Right arm.
May stop for here.
Right arm.
No wahala now, no wahala.
I mean business.
Your skills are even dey smooth. You okay?
Yeah.
Hey, yo, surprise! Hey! Tattoo! I just like the tattoo! What happened? You don't look excited, but you like tattoo. I want to drop it because of you.
You see, all these things have passed away. My body is a temple of the Most High God. And I can't get married to any guy with tattoos or living in rugged.
Boss, wait first now. Boss, easy now. Easy. You dey pull my head now.
Stop! This thing I die.
See, now only MC are not right too.
Bros, only MC.
Now only MC are right. So you see the main Desmond, comedian, Federal Republic of Nigeria.
Bros, just leave am. This is the MC. I'm the Desmond, and they know I'm a comedian. Leave the Federal Republic of Nigeria to them. Let them just deal with that one. I bet, bros. Baby, come now. You love tattoo. Baby. Baby, oh, cool. Madu chile.